Hey besties, welcome back to my channel. It's London. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join the family. So today's video is an everyday makeup look. If you want to know how to get this look, keep on watching. Let's get right into it. So we're going to prime my face. I already did my eyebrows off camera. I moisturized with my Elizabeth Arden moisturizer, and I'm going to go in with primer, and it's going to be the e.l.f. primer. Now that I primed, I'm going to take the MAC Fix It spray and I'm going to spray my face. And we're going to let that sit and soak into our pores because we really want our makeup to last all day because we have a lot to do today. So for foundation, I'm going to take a drugstore foundation, which is the Maybelline Fit Me. It's actually a tinted moisturizer in the shade 368. I like to go a shade darker than my skin tone because my neck is dark, so I just need to, have everything blend. I actually skipped a step. I was supposed to color correct. But we're just going to apply that right there and blend everything together. For color corrector, I'm taking the Ulta Beauty Full Coverage Liquid Concealer in the shade Deep Cool, and it just has like a warm undertone, so that's why I use it to color correct. So I'm going to blend this out first and then blend my foundation out. I do not apply foundation under my eyes because I want my concealer to be the only thing there, just because I love a great full coverage concealer. Taking the same Ulta Beauty concealer and I'm applying that to the lower parts of where I want to highlight on my chin and my nose. I do not highlight my forehead. I'm taking my Milani Conceal and Perfect concealer. Now this is for the bright under-eyed girlies. This is in the shade Warm Tan, and this is super bright, and I love me a super bright under eye. That's why I mixed the two so it's not too bright and scary. But I love a bright under eye. So I'm just going to let that sit for a little bit, and I'm going to spray it with my Fix Spray again. And I'm going to take this e.l.f. Camo sponge, my favorite. It is dirty. I need to buy a new one. But the only thing that I do notice is that the quality of the newer one is kind of different from like the e.l.f. Camo concealers from like years back. So I haven't thrown this away, but this is still one of my favorites. Two setting powders that I love. It's the Maybelline Fit Me powder in the shade Medium Deep. I like to mix it with the Airspun powder because, like I said, I love a bright under eye. So I'm just going to take the lighter powder first. This powder is very messy, so take note of that. And I'm just going to apply that first. I do a nice thin layer because I do have dry skin, and a lot of powder makes my skin look cakey and dry. I like to add it on my eyelids and then my chin. Now, if you're a lighter complexion, you could get away with just using translucent setting powder, but since I'm on the chocolate side, I like to use colored tone setting powders. So now I'm taking my Maybelline Fit Me powder and I'm gonna set that right on top. I actually put too much. Now we are set, and it's going to bake for a little bit just so the pigment can really sit on our skin tone. So now I'm going to contour. I'm sorry, my mind is all over the place. I'm going to contour in bronze. So I like to use the Juvia's Place powder in the palette Dark. So it looks like this. I love to bronze my face with this. And then I like to take the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop powder on top of that, just to contour and add some depth. So the bronzer adds some warmth to my face and it gives me this sun-kissed look, which I love. And I love to bronze my forehead because I have a quite large forehead. And we could do my chin. Okay, so we bronzed our face, and now I'm taking the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop powder. And I'm going to contour my nose with this powder as well. So the nose is snatched. Now what I like to do is add some blush. And today I'm taking my NARS Exhibit A blush, and I'm just going to add that at the high points on my cheek. So I'm just going to apply a little. I already put too much, but it's okay. It's very pigmented, so a little does go a long way with this powder. And now I'm just going to set everything, and I'm taking my Sephora Micro Smooth powder in the shade Mocha. Favorite mascara is my Wet n Wild Mega Length Mascara. I should be sponsored by Wet n Wild. This is my favorite mascara of all time. I actually skipped a little step. I like to go in with bronzer in my eyelids to act as eyeshadow. Now for highlighter, I have this e.l.f. Apricot Glow highlighter. This is one of my favorite highlighters. And now I have my, should I highlight my cheeks? I don't really do that anymore, but for the sake of this video, for those that love a good highlight, I'm going to highlight my cheeks just a little bit. Just a tad. Okay, so now we're getting into eyelashes, and I'm taking this eyelash thing that I got from Burlington Coat Factory. I don't remember their brand, but any old lashes would do. And I'm taking my Kiss 3D adhesive, and I'm just gonna apply that. The lip portion to do. So I'm taking my Rare Beauty lip liner in the shade Kind Words. Oh, sorry. In the shade Strong. And it's a nice chocolate brown color. Cute, cute, cute. And now I'm taking my Revlon lipstick in the shade Make It Pink. My go-to. It does look like a whoa, but it's super cute. I just pat it on. And then I top it off with a lip gloss, and the lip gloss of the day is Sky Pink. Well, Revlon again, and it is in the shade Sky Pink. And I just picked this one up, so it's kind of hard for me to open. But I have I have a oldie but goodie. Look at the difference of these lip glosses. Can you tell? This one's old, this one's new. But my favorite lip gloss of all time. My wand is broken on this lip gloss. This is the look. I'm gonna do my hair and come back to show you guys everything, okay? This is the complete look for my everyday makeup, and I just needed to do my hair so everything could come together. But thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. Mwah.